Hi everyone and welcome to day 13 of this short reality transurfing course that I've created based on teachings by Vadim Zeland, the quantum physicist. Card of the day is called the charismatic soul, and in my humble opinion is one of the most important cards in the whole 22 major arcana decks of major principles of reality transurfing, because it's talking about how the unity between mind and heart is very important in order to realize your goals. But here is a short description of the card first. What is the secret of charismatic personalities? They throw the negative slides out of their mind and replace them with the positive ones. Charm is a result of the mutual love that exists between the heart and the mind. A charming personality experiences feelings of joy in their soul, and they enjoy life and bathe in their own love without the slightest hint of narcissism. It is this feeling of joy that other people also notice then. And there are not so many people like this, but you can become one of them. You just have to turn to face your heart, love yourself, and step onto the path towards your own personal goal. Not only do certain personal qualities then change, but you become more attractive too, and your smile becomes absolutely dazzling. Okay, so that's a short description of this card. The card basically talks about that the secret of attractiveness and of accomplishing your goals lies in the unity between the heart and the mind. So what does that mean? That means actually that you have to kind of do what you love, and you have to be in love with yourself first. But as Vadim Zeland said, not in a narcissistic way, but in a way that you really you accept your soul and you accept your own bliss, so to speak, and you actually know what you like to do. For example, in this card here, we see this person playing a flute or a pipe or something similar. So he's or she is standing, actually sitting by the tree, and they're actually enjoying what they're doing. Same as with those other three girls that are dancing and just simply enjoying themselves. And if you remember, we were talking before about how this energy and free energy is so important in order to then move alongside those space of variance and jump on lifelines that are much more beneficial to you. So this free energy is actually accomplished by doing the things we love and actually honoring ourselves with that. And so by training your energy, you actually develop the extraordinary ability to influence others around you. And also, a person who has an abundance of free energy generates also interest in themselves. And the only thing is, you have to kind of start to love yourself unconditionally and start doing this energy work, because the more you accept yourself, love yourself, and go into the direction of following your goals that are naturally coming to you, you free this energy, and this energy actually starts growing. You can also kind of use some affirmations, like for example, I'm spilling over with the energy, the intensity of my energy levels is increasing, I have a powerful energy field, I shine with the energy, I'm a pure energy source, or people sense my energy field and are well disposed towards me. So when you notice how people genuinely feeling drawn towards you, don't forget to tell yourself that the technique is actually working. And the rational mind actually needs to hear you affirming it because it is constantly in doubt. Can I really be capable of that? And mind is like a monkey. It jumps from one subject to the next. And that's why how it's very important to actually select your thoughts and to change those negative thoughts, or in reality transurfing called slides, or visions or pictures you have in your brain, and exchange them with the positive ones, with the ones that are actually freeing this energy, that are actually raising this energy level for you. And then you kind of get into contact with your soul as well, and by communication between the soul and the mind, or heart and the mind, you actually create this beautiful opportunity for this metaphysical realm to open for you, and then you can direct this energy towards realizing whatever you wish to realize for yourself. That's why this card is actually so important, because it talks about how to actually raise this level of the free energy. By this, I will wrap up this short presentation of the card of the day. Follow me again for the card number 14, and stay tuned, and hopefully I will also hear from you with your feedback and insights and thoughts around the subject. Thank you so much, and talk soon again. Goodbye.